Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show battery percentage near battery icon in the status bar of our phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. See here, this is status bar. Okay, in this status bar you are seeing here battery icon only. There is no battery percentage showing. If you would like to show battery percentage near this battery icon, you can do it. What you have to do is go to settings of your phone first. Go to settings of your phone and then go to battery, and here you will find the battery percentage option. Show battery percentage option is available. Just turn on this button so that battery percentage will be showing near the battery icon. See here 84% is now showing. So in this way you can easily show battery percentage on status bar of your phone near battery icon. If you would like to really turn off battery percentage, if you would like to hide battery percentage from showing here, just to turn off this button so that battery percentage will not be shown. Okay, so in this way you can easily show or hide battery percentage in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.